Hi everybody, welcome back to the Crochet Nurse channel. It is time for the February 2021 Mary Maxim Crochet Club of the Month unboxing, and look at this guy. This one is a fatty. So, looking forward to see what's in here. But first we're going to do, as we've done in months past, we'll kind of go back and take a look at January of 2021. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell below. So let's talk about January 2021. Say that 10 times fast, right? Anyway, so what we got last month is we got 2 skeins of homespun. One in the color of Aubergine and then the other one in the color of Fool's Gold. And I said at the time, I do like homespun. The pattern called for making a very long cowl. Most of it was in single crochet. I really was not a fan of putting together both of those skeins of homespun because there were 2 different various colors, and putting it together to make one cowl. And so what I did is I made 2 projects out of one out of each skein. And so the first project is what you see I have on. This is a simple cowl that I created, and so this is a combination of double crochet, half double crochet, and I just made it a width of like 8 inches across and about 30 inches long, and I had roughly this much left over from the skein once I finished. And then you can see I just added on 3 buttons here just to give it a little bit of interest, and it came out quite nice. So look at a little close-up of that, and look at those colors, right? The reds and the purple, and then it has a deep purple, and then all of it has purple throughout. If you're not familiar with this one, this is the Aubergine. All of it has purple. It's just like this gold color here has purple embedded, and so it's just really deep and rich colors. If you've not worked with homespun, take a look at the video that I just put out talking about homespun. There are a few tricks to use for working with homespun, but if you've not tried it, give it a try. You will probably like it. I do, and a lot of other people do as well. Okay, for the sake of project that I did, I put this out as a tutorial. Let me see if I can grab it over here for you. I put this out as a tutorial, I think it was last week when I made it, and it is for this little mini capelet, and this is what it looks like, and I showed it on the other side as well. So, and this uses 1 full skein. Easy product to make again. That's the back. And this was used, like I say, using 1 full skein of homespun. Had roughly the same amount of yarn left over. It took me about 2 evenings to make, and I love it. Super easy to make. And so if you've not seen that, that video's on my website. Okay, so anyway, so let's get cooking. Let's go ahead and open up the February, I'm sorry. Went back too far. So let's go into the February 2021 and see what we have for this month. Let me move stuff aside because there's a lot in this package. Okay, so I mean, this is huge. And I'm wondering, I feel the pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm thinking 5. It feels like there's 5 balls of yarn in here, guys. So let's see. I'm hoping for some Mary Maxim this month. Truly I am. Let me get the top up here. I would really like to be able to do have some more Mary Maxim yarn. Let's see what we got this month. Now, for those who are not familiar, this is from MaryMaxim.com. The first month it's $9.99 plus shipping, and then every month thereafter that it's $14.99 plus shipping. And so I should be all in, because I pay full price, I should be all in for sorry for all the crinkling, $22.94. Let me double check. Yep, $14.99, $22.94, February 2021. Okay. Let's see what we got. And there is a lot in here. Okay. This will be going up north. And there is what it is this month. And there's actually 6 balls of yarn in here. All right, so let's take a look and see what they're wanting us to make this month. This is in the big bag. It always comes in that nice plastic bag that they ship out, which I really like. I save them. So bulky yarn, so that's good. We're in the winter months. Delicate Maxi is the name of the yarn, using a J hook and an L hook. And it is showing for the hat and mittens. That's a lot of yarn. 2 balls, 6 balls of yarn. That's a lot of yarn to making that. That's kind of cute. And that's going to be in the adult size. I like the stitch pattern. Let's look at the yarn. This is the yarn that I have over there already, this brand. And this is, we got a ball of white in there, sorry about that. And this is in Lana Maxi. I am not familiar with that brand. It is made in Turkey. I like the stuff that's made in Turkey. It's pretty soft, 25% wool, 75% acrylic, 100 grams, 120 meters. So there's that. And it looks like they're all the same type. And then the next color up is a gray. That is a bulky. All of these are bulky. Look at this. Look at that size on this guy. It's saying it's a bulky. That's going to be a 5. This is going to be a super quick project to work up. Let me pull out a string here. At the end here. This one's kind of unwound a little bit. So you guys can see that. All of them are 25% wool, 75% acrylic, and so we have gray, multiple colors. Oh, look at this pretty blue. That is a pretty blue. I'm trying to hold this between my legs here. Let me look this up. And then we have a right about there, a tan color. There's a lot in here, guys. There is a lot in here. I'm going to say that there's way more, unless we're making more than 1 hat and gloves here, and then 2 more here. I mean, there's 6 total. So we have 2 of the tan-ish, 2 of the gray, and then a blue and a white. And let me see if I can look it up. All right, I found it. I did not find it in a website here in the States. I found it on a Russian website, and it's called Made in House, and they do have it in stock in various colors, and it goes for 516 rubies. And so there's the manufacturing country: Turkey, wool 75, acrylic wool 25, acrylic 75, 120. So that is the yarn right there. So we need to convert that 516. So I have the conversion here. 516. So from that website, it's $6.83 per skein. And we have 6 skeins. So that brings us up to $40.98 for full retail for that yarn. And then don't forget, we always add in the price of the patterns. I know a lot of folks will say we can get the patterns on free, but it does. We are getting the paper pattern. It's being sent to us. I usually say it's $3 to $5, and so we're up to right around $40, $45, and so not a bad deal. That is what it looks like for our project for this month. It's going to be a hat and a pair of mittens. I'm not seeing, that's like I say, that's a lot of yarn. Hat, mittens, oh, guys, and it's a headband too. Sorry. So it's a hat, mittens, and a headband, all 3 in here. So a cute little project. Let me show you the headband. It is right there. Okay, guys. All right. Well, I'm going to jump off here and I'm going to get to making it. I popped a review in at the end of the video as far as the tutorial for the capelet that I made, and then also the yarn review for the homespun is already out, so go take a look at that while you wait for me to make up these things. All right, y'all, have a fantastic day, and I will see you next month. All right, bye.